Bullish Nano cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $3.78 and $7.14 by 2030. Market investigators accept XNO could reach $2.94 by 2025. Bearish Nano market cost expectation for 2023 is 67 cents. Nano presentation. Nano was made in 2014 by Colin LeMahieu as a rebranding of the Rye Block's digital money. The undertaking expects to foster a quick, expense-less, and versatile blockchain that can interact in high volumes of exchanges with negligible asset necessities. Nano uses an extraordinary block cross-section structure, which permits each record to have its blockchain. The source and beneficiary just have to confirm every exchange as opposed to the whole organization. Subsequently, Nano professes to offer close-moment settlements with zero charges. Concerning, the Nano convention can hypothetically handle up to 7,000 exchanges each second without forfeiting decentralization or security. This is thanks to its utilization of a non-concurrent verification of stake agreement component, which empowers every hub in the organization to autonomously approve exchanges. Nano current cost. Nano is presently worth 83 cents USD. XNO has moved 0.46% as of now with an exchanging volume of $2,655,215. Nano is presently positioned 697 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $109,692,917 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Nano to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Nano value forecasts. What does the future hold for Nano? Nobody knows, yet many variables can give us bits of knowledge into what could occur. The cost of Nano is impacted by various things: market patterns, media inclusion, and development inside the digital currency space. We should take a gander at a portion of these things and attempt to think of a Nano cost expectation for 2022 to 2030. The main thing to consider is market patterns. Are cryptographic forms of money on the ascent or decline? What might be said about blockchain innovation? Is it being embraced by additional businesses? These are basic inquiries to pose while anticipating the future cost of any advanced cash, including Nano. Watching out for media coverage is likewise significant. How much certain or negative press is Nano getting? On the off chance that there's a great deal of promotion around the coin, this could prompt more individuals getting it and driving up the cost. Then again, negative news about Nano could prompt an auction and a cost decline. Advancement is another component that can affect costs. In the event that new advancements with Nano make it more easy to understand or expand its utility, this could prompt more individuals getting it and pushing up costs. Alternately, on the off chance that there isn't a lot of development inside the space, this could make costs deteriorate or try and decline. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Nano market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Nano value expectation 2023. Nano, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The XNO cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $1.26. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $1.18 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. XNO is supposed to have a base worth of $1.01. Nano value expectation 2024. In 2024, Nano XNO cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of XNO will before long outperform $2.10. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the XNO's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, XNO will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.68 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.85. Nano value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $2.94 and XNO might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. XNO is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.69 and a low of $2.52 in 2025. Nano value expectation 2026. Assuming Nano effectively helps market feeling among digital currency aficionados, The XNO coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, XNO will be green in 2026. The XNO is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $3.78, with a base cost of $3.36 and a typical cost of $3.53. Nano Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the XNO cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $4.36 by 2027, with a base cost of $4.20 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, XNO has a greatest value worth of $4.62. Nano Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $5.20. On the off chance that XNO figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $5.46. Neglecting to accumulate the help XNO needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $5.04. Nano Value Expectation 2029. While XNO is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $5.88 and a yearly cost close above $6.30 in 2029. Nano Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Nano will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $6.72 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $7.14, averaging out at $6.88. Nano Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future sticker costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest XNO cost in 2031 is projected to be $8.23 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $7.89. And Nano is a digital money that has been around for north of 2 years. In that time, it has seen a great deal of high points and low points on the lookout. Generally, however, Nano gives off an impression of being an actually steady coin with a promising future. Nano has a great deal of potential since it is charged less and can be utilized for quick installments. It is additionally one of the more easy to understand digital currencies out there. Since Nano is still generally new, there isn't as much data accessible on it as on a few different coins. Nonetheless, what we realize looks encouraging, and numerous crypto experts accept that Nano is a wise venture. Obviously, nobody can get out whatever any digital money's future cost will be. In any case, in the event that you are contemplating putting resources into Nano, doing your examination is generally smart. Seeing past cost information and taking into account current economic situations are fundamental factors that can assist you with coming to an educated conclusion about the choice about whether to put resources into any coin, including Nano. What is the Nano cost today?